So I've stayed in railway stations, took bath in railway reservation, retiring rooms by telling those attendant, please let me take bath. Slept in platforms only because, they don't give houses to us. There was an exam called Vocational Course for Railway Commercial. I know for sure 99% or 100% would not have heard about this examination. So was I. One of my classmates' mother, I don't know whether she took pity on me or what, she gave me the form, asked me to apply. So 11th and 12th over, we thought we'll go to college, they put us in railway stations. 17 years. I was 17 years when I took up the job in railways. I still remember the day when we landed up in the railway station. Early morning, 2 o'clock, it's some godforsaken railway station called as Kadalur Port Junction in Tamil Nadu. I have heard about Kadalur 2 times when cyclone hit it. I've never heard about that railway station. I got down the railway station, early morning 2 o'clock, went to one of the employees there and asked that I have come to join in this station. He looked at me and said, so young, 17 years. But what? You will see, this is their appointment order. Okay, lie down. Where? Bench. Lied one morning, got up, went to the station master, gave me station report. 7 years I worked in railways. Slept in platforms only because, they don't give houses to us. I'm a bachelor. Not even 18, but still I'm a bachelor, so no house. So I've stayed in railway stations, took bath in railway reservation, retiring rooms by telling those attendant, please let me take bath. The most important thing which has happened to me during those 7 years is interacting with public day in and day out, which has shaped my life like anything. Interactions, communications, these are the two important things which will help you in anything. How you perceive a person comes from interaction only. You can't learn it from books. It was 1999, Odisha super cyclone. One of our superior officers, railway officers, she said, why don't we all go and do some relief work there in Odisha? So 10 of us packed. We collected a lot of clothes, food material, everything. Went to Puri, got down. From there by bus, we went to a district called Kendrapara, which was affected by the super cyclone, 99 in December. We saw the destruction which has happened there. Right from on the way itself, we've seen the trees completely gone, everything gone, super cyclone. I've never seen such things. It was an eye-opener for people like me who have not really bothered about what is happening in the society or what is happening around us. 10 of us, 10 days, we stayed there, we did relief work, we came back. So you can call it coming of the age moment. You realize that, okay, something is there which we are missing in our life. Till that time, railways, job, monthly 4,000, 4,500 was my salary at that time. So I used to get it, go home, do nothing. Then we all sat together and then we were discussing what should we do. The same group which we are talking about, the Vocational Course for Railway Commercial, VCRC we call it. We all sat together and discussed, we should do something. So what is the alternative? What we can do? So one option came is civil service. So that's how my interest in civil service came into being. Not because anybody else wanted, no, it's not my childhood dream, anything else. I had to do my degree through distance education. I joined BCom, got into Madras University. Distance education, I'll go only to write exams. Contact classes also I cannot go. Weekly 2 classes I cannot go. I go and write the exam and come back. During our time in railways, in railway stations, you won't get time at all. You get free time only after 12 o'clock in the night. When the last train leaves, you close the counter, count everything, give it to the cashier, then only you will come out. So we used those time between 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, many of us, and started preparing for civil service. And we wrote exams while working in railways.